I don't have any power on in this room. There's a television on in the kitchen. So you'll hear noise, but you shouldn't hear any noise in here. So this should sound quiet. So what they seem to be saying now is that this was something they installed in my apartment. They said it was connected to the US military. That wouldn't make any sense. Now, when they're saying that they installed it in my apartment, then they said, well, I would have heard it in other apartments connected to my family. Again, that wouldn't make any sense. The other thing that's really a big deal is that they're now claiming that kids from my high school said they heard things in high school, not just when I was around, but in general. So what I'm saying is then it's not connected to me. Okay, I'm going to now have to just use common sense. It couldn't be connected to me if it was in other relatives of mine apartment and no one heard this. Then it's not about me. Then if it's in school but other kids heard it, then why they focused on me? They wouldn't have done it this way. That's my whole point. We got to use common sense. If you want to sue someone, and that's what they seem to have wanted, you wouldn't use me. You would use the people who know what you're talking about. It took me how many years now? I feel like I'm on, year what now of doing this, and still I'm trying to put it together and use common sense. Oh, how many years of this will we be doing? I'm 50. So if you said this started when I was born, we're going to do 50 years of putting it together. You would have spoken to the people who already put it together. I'm doing a video now and I titled it Match Things Up. So take notes on me to match things up. And they said, oh, that's good because the pictures I'm putting up, they can then use to help their deepfake videos that they created of me where I don't look anything like me. Yeah, that seems to have been a problem, wouldn't it? So if you're coming up with these deep fakes of me where I don't look like me, but now you see the pictures of me, and the picture that I'm putting up on this video that's uploading now is me wearing a Jessica McClintock dress, and they were talking about, oh, I something about me not being able to that now I have designer clothes. Well, I always had some.